we got a cicada over here. I don't remember which brood this is, but I'll find out. And put it in the comments. And we got a little, oh, where did she go? There was a little tiny spider over here building a web, and she's hiding from me, I think. Anyway, I got all these cicadas just now coming out of their shells. Here, let's see. There's one over here. I was cutting the grass, and I saw him down here, so I left him alone. He's just coming out. And there's one over here that his wings aren't fully developed. Well, look, they've come out pretty big. Where'd he go? There he is. See him? Oh, yeah, I see you. Hi. I'm not going to eat you. You guys don't look good to me. Here's another dude that just came out over here. Down here I got the shells all over the place. There's one of the bigger broods. Oh, well, it looks like somebody got eaten already because they left their wing down here. Their wings are so pretty. I'm going to have to collect it, I think. I was going to mow today. Maybe not. Oh, look at this guy. Hello, dude. What's going on? He's waiting for his wings to fill in. I'm coming out. It won't take very long for the wings to get big. Oh, sorry about this terrible focusing. I've got little shells all over the place. Here's one over here. Look. Well, this one almost looks like he's still in it, but it's hard to tell. I don't see what it busted open yet, so. And look at, there's so many of them down here on the ground. Oh, they're everywhere. Here's one over here. His wings all fully developed finally. Yep. Got this guy over here. Well, there you have it. Attack of the cicadas. Right.